नमस्ते बच्चों, कैसे हो आप लोग। फिर से ऑनलाइन क्लास स्टार्ट करते हैं। ओके, सो यू नो हाउ मेनी थिंग्स यू हैव फॉरगेट। डोंट मिस योर वीडियो। बिफोर डूइंग द होमवर्क, see the video, then you will understand what you are writing, what is the question. Without knowing the story, if you do the homework, there is no use, because here I will read for you and I will translate, then you will know the story, how to pronounce the sentence. Okay, so it is very necessary to see the video, then you start to write your homework. Okay children, so today we will start our new lesson 16. What is this first letter? Any guessing? Yes, this is Sra. What is this? Sra. Sra, da, dha, that's Sra. Sra says Sram. Sra says Sramik. And in Sra letter, what is the matra? Ek hi matra. It's become Sre. Again one Sa is there. What is that Sa? Satkon Sa. And that Satkon Sa, half Satkon Sa is there. What is that? Half Satkon Sa. And Tha. This is not a Ta. This is Tha. Tha se Thanda. That Tha. So how you will read this? Sresth. What is this? Sresth. Upahar. Upahar. Sresth Upahar means a unique gift. Sresth means A1 quality, a unique. Upahar means gift, a unique quality gift, a very good gift. That is the meaning of the lesson. So what is that? What could be this unique gift? I will read. Listen carefully. One line I will read and I will translate you. गीतिका अपनी टीचर को बहुत पसंद करती थी. There is a girl. Her name is Geetika. This is a school, and in school, teacher and student story. Okay, teacher and student story on Teachers' Day. What happened on Teachers' Day? Okay, this is the story. गीतिका अपनी टीचर को बहुत पसंद करती थी. बहुत पसंद means like too much. पसंद means like. बहुत means too much. So Geetika, there is a girl, she likes her teacher too much. Why she likes? उसकी टीचर कक्षा के सब बच्चों को बहुत प्यार से पढ़ाती थी. Because her teacher in her classroom, all students, she will teach very nicely. She don't scold anyone. Okay, she will teach nicely and she will try to make them understand everything to all students. And if students are asking something, very politely and lovely, she will reply. So maximum students like her. यदि कोई बच्चा कुछ समझ नहीं पाता था, उसे वह बार बार समझाती थी. Is there any child who is not able to understand what teacher is saying? Again and again, many times, she will teach that child, but she will not get angry. So Geetika liked that teacher too much. Shikshak Divas. What is Shikshak Divas? Teacher's Day. Shikshak means teacher. Divas means day. Teacher's Day. वाले दिन सभी उनके लिए कुछ न कुछ उपहार लाए. On Teachers' Day, all students, they have bring some gift for the teacher. Okay, so everyone has bring something for the teacher. कोई फूल लाया, कोई कलम लाया, कोई चॉकलेट लाया, तो कोई कुछ. Someone has brought flower, someone has brought chocolate, someone gave pen. सब बच्चों का प्यार देखकर टीचर बहुत खुश थी. Okay, to see the love of children, how children like her, she was very happy. गीतिका स्कूल के बगीचे से एक फूल तोड़ लाई, तो माली ने उसकी शिकायत हेडमास्टर जी से कर दी. गीतिका what she has done? She has plucked some flower from the garden. she has plucked some flower from the garden, and that gardener, he saw she is plucking flower from the school garden, and he has complained about her to the principal. हेडमास्टर जी जब स्कूल के राउंड पर थे, एंड व्हेन प्रिंसिपल हैज़ कम ऑन द राउंड, तो उस कक्षा में प्रवेश कर उन्होंने गीतिका को पूछा. व्हेन प्रिंसिपल वाज ऑन राउंड, लाइक आवर प्रिंसिपल मैम समटाइम्स शी विल कम टू टेक अ राउंड ना with class, who is the teacher and what she is teaching, is student are learning proper or not. So same, principal has come for round. Okay, then he entered in गीतिका class. उन्होंने गीतिका को पूछा, and he asked to गीतिका, तुमने बिना अनुमति के फूल क्यों तोड़ा? Why did you pluck the flower without permission? Principal asked to गीतिका. वह घबराई. लिटिल सी बिकम नर्वस. फिर उसने कहा, सर, आफ्टर सी बिकेम नर्वस बट आफ्टर सम टाइम सी रिप्लाई, सर, आज शिक्षक दिवस है. सर, टुडे इज अ टीचर्स डे. सभी छात्र अपने टीचरों को उपहार दे रहे थे. ऑल स्टूडेंट्स आर गिविंग सम गिफ्ट टू देयर टीचर्स. मैं बहुत गरीब हूँ. आई एम वेरी पुअर. इसलिए इतने पैसे खर्च नहीं कर सकती हूँ. सो आई कांट स्पेंड मनी टू परचेज द गिफ्ट फॉर टीचर. जब मैंने कुमुद को एक फूल देते देखा, व्हेन आई सा कुमुद शी वॉज गिविंग फ्लावर टू टीचर, तो मुझे प्रेरणा मिली. देन आई गॉट आई कैन गिव ऑल्सो फ्लावर टू टीचर. और मैंने 7-8 फूल तोड़े, एंड आई प्लक सम फ्लावर फ्रॉम द गार्डन, और सब टीचरों को एक एक करके दे दिया. एंड आई गिव टू ऑल टीचर्स 1-1. उसकी बात सुनकर हेडमास्टर बहुत प्रसन्न हुए. टू लिसन दिस प्रिंसिपल बिकम वेरी हैप्पी. टीचर ने उसे प्यार से थपथपाते हुए कहा. ओके, टीचर जस्ट शी हैज डन टच हर बैक. शी अप्रिशिएटेड हर. ओके, एंड शी टोल्ड, बच्चों, आपने जो कुछ प्यार से मुझे दिया उसके लिए बहुत बहुत धन्यवाद. टीचर टोल्ड चिल्ड्रेन विद लव, वॉट एवर यू पीपल गेव मी, थैंक यू वेरी मच फॉर दैट. किंतु टीचर के लिए जानते हो श्रेष्ठ उपहार क्या होता है? बट डू यू नो वॉट इज़ द बेस्ट गिफ्ट फॉर टीचर? सब उनकी ओर देखने लगे, एंड एवरीवन स्टार्ट टू लुक एट हर. मीन्स व्हाट गिफ्ट वी हैव गिवन, इट इज़ नॉट गुड. सो व्हाट इज़ दैट स्पेशल गिफ्ट? अबाउट द टीचर इज टॉकिंग. ओके, देन टीचर टोल्ड, श्रेष्ठ उपहार होता है. व्हाट इज़ द यूनिक गिफ्ट? व्हाट इज़ द स्पेशल गिफ्ट? एक अच्छा छात्र बनना. टू बी अ गुड स्टूडेंट. जो कहना मानता है, हु लिसन टू एवरीवन. जो पाठ याद करता है, हु इज मेमोराइजिंग हिज लेसन, हु इज लर्निंग हिज लेसन. जो साफ रहता है, हु कीप्स हिमसेल्फ और हर सेल्फ नीट एंड क्लीन. जो दूसरे साथियों की मदद करता है, हु इज हेल्पिंग अदर्स. तुम सब में ये गुण है, एंड यू ऑल आर हैविंग दिस क्वालिटीज़. इसलिए तुम मेरे लिए श्रेष्ठ उपहार हो. सो यू ऑल आर स्पेशल गिफ्ट फॉर मी. सब जोर जोर से तालियां बजाने लगे. एंड टू लिसन दिस ऑल स्टूडेंट स्टार्ट टू क्लैप. हेडमास्टर ने सबको शाबाशी दी. प्रिंसिपल अप्रिशिएटेड टू एवरीवन. दिस वॉज द स्टोरी. व्हाट इज द मॉरल ऑफ द स्टोरी? A good student is a teacher's pride. अच्छे छात्र पर शिक्षक को सदा गर्व होता है. Always teacher feel a proud for a good student. Okay? Teacher will be very proud if a student is good, because people will say, who is the student, who is teaching, this is the teacher who teaches him so well. He is learning from that good habits from the teacher. That is only a proud for her. That is a special gift for teacher. So as a student, what you have to do? If you want to be a special gift for your teacher, instead of giving the gift and trying to make her happy, be a good student, listen to all teachers, maintain yourself neat and clean, read your lesson and learn proper, write proper, okay, and always try to help to your friends or any needy people. If you feel they need your help, just go ask and try to help them. This is the quality of a good student. Okay, so this was your story, children. Next we will go for word meaning. Little word meaning is there, then we will read. And when you are writing the word meaning, center part, what is written there? Lipyantaran or transliteration. No need to write that one. That is for reading purpose. If you are not able to read, you read that. That is the pronunciation of Hindi. But don't write only word, and English meaning you have to write in your classwork. How it should be neat and clean. Okay, we will start our word meaning. Pasand. Pasand means like. 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 Here pa, sa pe anki matra san, da. Pasand. Pasand means like. Kaksha. Kaksha means class. 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 Class means kaksha. Divas. Divas means day. 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 Day means divas. Shrestha. Shrestha means excellent, special, unique. Lot of meaning is there, lot of synonyms are there. So Shrestha, excellent. Shikayat. Shikayat means complain. Shikayat means complain. Prerana. Prerana means inspiration. Prerana means inspiration. Okay? How you will inspire with something. Someone is talking, you will inspire, or someone work, you will see and inspire. Like, I want to do also like this. This person is doing good. So that is inspiration. One more round will read. Pasand, like. Kaksha, class. Divas, day. Shrestha, excellent. Shikayat, complain. Prerana, inspiration. Okay, children. So today we have learned our new lesson. Lesson name was Shrestha Upahar. What was the story? There is a girl, Geetika, and her teacher. Story was starting from Teacher's Day. And end of the day, what teacher is saying, what is the special gift for her? To be a good student is the special gift for teacher. And she is saying thank you what children has given. Gift to her. And we have read word meaning. Book exercise we will do in a next class. Otherwise your class will be lengthy and it will go off. So do the reading practice of lesson and write your word meaning in your class. Thank you. Have a good day.